Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are going to start exercise 2.5. In earlier video, already I taught question number 1 and question number 2 in exercise 2.5. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.5 under question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So it is a very important concept. Before starting this session, one thing I want to tell you, if you are newer in my channel Master Academy, please subscribe it and press on a bell icon so you will get my all the new notification. मैं पहले से हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ, मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर आप मेरे चैनल के ऊपर नए हैं, अगर आप मेरी चैनल को फर्स्ट बार ही देख रहे हैं तो उसको सब्सक्राइब करें और उसके बाजू में जो बेल आइकन आता है उसके ऊपर प्रेस करें ताकि मुझे नया वीडियो बनाने के लिए मुझे मोटिवेशन मिलता रहे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, एक्सप्रेस 5 सेंटीमीटर in meter and kilometer. So my dear students, one thing I want to tell you, see, this is a very good things, just you should keep in your mind. King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. Okay, take first letter K, make underline. Harry, make underline. Die, make underline. D, make underline. C, make underline. M, make underline. Okay, take one letter, take K, kilo. H, hectare. D, deca. M, meter. D, decimal. C, centimeter. M, millimeter. Okay, but one thing you should keep in your mind, distance between two unit, दोनों यूनिट के बीच में जो डिस्टेंस है it is 10 only. In the same way, centimeter to decimal, the distance is also 10. In the same way, meter to decimal, it is also 10. Deca and meter, the distance is also 10. Just you should keep in your mind, ये sentence आपको मुंह पे याद कर लेना है कि King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. Okay, so you should take the first letter of each word. Okay, so here this kilo is the biggest unit and millimeter it is the smallest unit according to kilo, hectare, deca, meter, decimal, centimeter. Okay, so kilo is the highest unit and this is the lowest unit. Okay, millimeter. Okay, now look at this side. The question number 3, part 1, express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. So here we will try to solve the first question, 5 centimeter into meter. Okay, understood? So look at this side, 5 centimeter into meter. Look at this side, this is the centimeter. Okay, and this is meter beta. Okay, so tell me the distance between this. The 10 ja 100. Understood? It means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Okay, this is the basic concept which you know properly, right? Okay, now look at this side. We are going to convert 5 centimeter into meter. So is equal to 5 multiplied by 1 centimeter, right? So here 5 multiplied by 1 upon 100 meter. Okay, So we will multiply by all the enumerators and all the denominators. Okay. So 5 1 ja 5 upon 100. Okay. So here, my dear students, look at this side. In the denominator there are 2 0, right? So we are putting point after 2 digit. यहाँ पे 2 0 है. Therefore we will put point, we will put fraction after 2 digit. तो यहाँ पे देखो बेटा 5. Okay. Then there is a single digit, but ये 0 यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा बेटा. This is wrong. Okay. So we will put 0 here before 5. Okay. Then put a point. It means there are 2 0. So we have written here 0 5. Understood? And put extra 0. Understood? 5 के आगे 0 हम नहीं लगा सकते हैं. हम 0 अगर लगाना है तो before 5 we have to put 0. Understood? According to the denominator. Understood? So first part I have explained 5 centimeter into meter. You got answer 0.05 meter. Understood? Now second part we will discuss here. Express 5 centimeter in kilometer. Okay. So 5 centimeter into kilometer, right? So you can see, my dear students. So here first look at this side, centimeter. So beta, this is centimeter. Okay, this is your kilometer. So 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. So after 1, how many 0? 0 1 2 3 4 5. So we will write 5 0. Understood? Clear? There are 5 zeros. Understood? So here we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. Clear? आपको सिर्फ इतना ही याद रखना है, my dear student. आपको क्या चीज याद रखनी है? ये सेंटेंस, King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. Okay. So we know that 1 kilometer is equal to how many centimeter? 1 lakh centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 1 lakh kilometer. Understood? Clear? Now 5 into 1 centimeter. So we are going to write 1 centimeter because we are going to convert centimeter into kilometer. Okay. So 5 multiplied by, we have written here 1 upon 1 lakh kilometer instead of 1 centimeter. Okay. Clear? So 5 multiplied by 1 upon 1 lakh kilometer. So we will multiply by all the enumerators and all the denominators. So 5 1 ja 5 upon 1 lakh kilometer. So here how many zeros count? Total number of zeros. 1 2 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we will put point how many digits? Yes, we will put point after 5 digits. So we have written 5 here. Okay. So we are going to put extra 4 0 before 5. So first 0, second 0, third 0, fourth 0 and point and 0. Understood? So here I have explained question number 3 part 1. Okay. Now we will move on to question number 3 part 2. Express 35 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. So first we are going to show 35 meter in centimeter. So you can see this is centimeter and this is millimeter. So obviously the distance is only 10. Okay. So we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay. So obviously 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. So we have written here 35 multiplied by 1 millimeter. Okay. So we have written 1 millimeter is equal to how many centimeter? The 1 upon 10 centimeter. So here we have written here 35 multiplied by 1 upon 10 centimeter. Understood? Then we will multiply by all the enumerators and all the denominators. So 35 multiplied by 1 ja 35. So 35 upon 10. So there is only 1 0. So we will put point how many digit? There is 1 digit. So beta answer is 3.5 centimeter. Clear what I am telling you beta? Now the first part 35 millimeter into centimeter I have done here. Next thing 35 millimeter into meter. Okay. So 35 millimeter into meter is equal to, you can see, millimeter this, okay, and meter this. Clear? So we will multiply by, okay, so 1 1 ja 1. There are how many zero? 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 zeros. Clear? So there are 3 zeros. So 1000. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Understood? So here look at this side. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. Clear? So here is equal to 35 multiplied by 1 centimeter. Okay. So 35 multiplied by 1 upon 1000 meter. Okay. So we will multiply by all the enumerators and all the denominators. So 35 1 ja 35 upon 1000. Understood? So 35 1 ja 35 upon 1000. So how many zeros here? So beta there are 3 zeros. Okay. So we will put point how many digit? We will put point after 3 digit. So before 35 there are 2 digit. So we will put extra 0 here and point, and there is 0. 0.035. It is your answer. Clear? Now the third thing, express 35 millimeter into kilometer. Okay, so 35 centimeter into kilometer, it means this is by mistake beta, this is a millimeter. This is the wrong thing. Okay, clear? By mistake. आपको समझना क्या है? This is the wrong beta. This is millimeter. This is a printing mistake which I have done here. Okay. So 35 millimeter into kilometer. Okay. So here you can see this is a millimeter and this is a kilometer. So count. The 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. So here how many zero? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Clear? Understood? There are 6 zero. So we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 10 lakh centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 lakh kilometer. Okay. So here 35 multiplied by 1 millimeter. So 35 multiplied by 1 upon 10 lakh kilometer. Yes or no? We will multiply by all the enumerators. So 35 1 ja 35 upon 10 lakh kilometer. So we will put point how many digit? So we have written here 35 first. Okay. So there are how many digit? There are total 6 digit. So we will put how many 0 extra? 4 0 extra. So first 0, second 0, third 0 and fourth 0. And this is point and 0. So beta, what is answer? The answer is 0.00035 kilometer. Clear what I am telling you, beta? So here question number 3 is over. Now question number 4, express in kilogram. 200 gram, already you know. 1 kilogram is equal to how many gram? We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. So here you can see 200 multiplied by 1 gram. So we are going to convert ग्राम इंटू किलोग्राम. सो छोटे यूनिट से अगर बड़े यूनिट तरफ अगर आप जाते हैं तो आपको डिवीजन करना है. अगर बड़े यूनिट से छोटे यूनिट की तरफ अगर आप कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं तो आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. अंडरस्टूड. फिर से दोबारा बेटा मैं रिपीट करता हूं. अगर आप छोटे यूनिट से बड़े यूनिट की ओर जा रहे हैं, so what you have to do? You have to do division. और बड़े यूनिट से छोटे यूनिट की तरफ जा रहे हैं तो you have to do multiplication. This thing you should keep in your mind. Okay, so 200 multiplied by 1 gram. So 200 multiplied by 1 upon 1000 kg. Okay, so here we have we multiply by all the numerators and all the denominators. 200 multiplied by 1 ja 200 upon 1000. Okay, so here you can see this 0 will be cut. Here this 0 will be cut. So remaining number is 2 upon 10 kg. Understood what I am telling you, beta? So here you can see in the denominator there is how many 0? Only single 0. Okay, so we will put point after how many digit? We will put point after 1 digit. So 0.2, it is your answer. In the same way, second question, 3470 gram. Okay, so we know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So here you can say is equal to 3470 multiplied by 1 gram. You know we are going to convert gram into kilogram. So 3470 multiplied by 1 upon 1000 kg. Understood? We will multiply by all the numerators and all the denominators. So 3470 upon 1000. So we will put point. Look at this side. 3470. Okay. So in the denominator, how many zeros? There are 3 zeros, right? So we will put point after 3 0. 1, 2, these 3. So we will put point here. Clear? So what is answer? The answer is 3.470 kg. Clear? So this is your answer. Clear? Only this thing you should keep in your mind so you can understand why you are copying this answer, so you can understand better. Okay, now we will move on the third question. 4 kg and 8 gram, it will do by yourself only, beta. Okay, this is homework question. Okay, I have solved first and second. Third question you have to do by yourself. Now question number 5, write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form, right? Okay, so here you can see third question 200.03। आपको पहले क्या करना है वो ध्यान से सुन लो बेटा। पहले छोटे छोटे मैंने जानबूझ के जगह छोड़ी है 200.03। बाद में क्या करना है, ये पॉइंट है आपका बेटा। अगर पॉइंट है उसके ये क्या है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, और पॉइंट के बाद का है राइट हैंड साइड। अंडरस्टूड? मैं जो आपको समझा हूं याद रखो, ये पॉइंट है, पॉइंट के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से आपको शुरू करना है। फर्स्ट यहां पे लिख दो 0, देन 1, देन 2। अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर? पहले क्या लिखना है आपको, पहले क्या लिखना है, पहले मैंने ये किया है, ये आपका ये है बेटा। क्लियर? पॉइंट के बाद ये आपका पॉइंट है, ओके। देन ये 0, देन 1 एंड दिस इज 2। क्लियर? पॉइंट के बाद आपको नेगेटिव में लिखना है। इट मीन्स इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम -1, दिस इज -2। क्लियर? समझ में बात आ गई? पॉइंट है, पॉइंट के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे आपको स्टार्ट करना है 0, देन 1, देन 2। आफ्टर पॉइंट आपको स्टार्ट करना है दिस इज -1 एंड दिस इज -2। अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू बेटा? पहले आपको इतना लिख लेना है, देन आपको यहां से शुरू करना है। 2 मल्टीप्लाई, यहां पे मैंने 2 लिखा है बेटा, इट मीन्स 2 इंटू 10 पावर ऑफ 2। क्लियर? प्लस, हर एक के बीच में प्लस कर दो पहले से ही, तो आपको ज्यादा समझ में आ जावे। ये पॉइंट को ये भी प्लस, 2 इंटू 10 पावर ऑफ 2 प्लस 0 इंटू 10 पावर ऑफ 1। यू कैन सी 0 इंटू 10 पावर ऑफ 1 प्लस 0 इंटू, यहां पे क्या है बेटा 10 पावर ऑफ 0। क्लियर? 0 इंटू 10 पावर ऑफ 0 प्लस 0 इंटू 10 power of -1, which I have written here. Same thing beta, I have done mistake here. This is not 0 beta, this is 3 into 0। आपको समझना नहीं है बेटा, this is a 3 only। ओके, 0 को निकाल देता हूं। ओके, सो 0 की जगह पे मैंने लिख दिया, क्योंकि 3 आता है भूल से मैंने लिख दिया है, तो 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 पावर ऑफ -2। ओके, बिकॉज ये भूल मैंने इसीलिए की है कि कॉपी पेस्ट में मुझसे ये भूल हो चुकी है, लेकिन आपको 3 ही लिखना है कि 3 इंटू 10 पावर ऑफ -2 बेटा। अंडरस्टूड? तो 3 इंटू 10 पावर ऑफ -2, यहीं पे भी 3 आएगा, पहले से मैं लिख दूं। यहाँ पे भी बेटा 3 आएगा, पहले से मैं लिख दूं। ओके, तो 3 इंटू 10 पावर ऑफ -2, सो यू कैन सी 2 इंटू 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 जा 100 प्लस 0 10 पावर ऑफ 1 इज इक्वल टू 10 प्लस 0 10 पावर ऑफ 0 इज इक्वल टू 1 बेटा। तो 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1 प्लस 0, दिस इज द नेगेटिव पावर, so we will make into positive power। ओके, तो वो कहाँ पे लिखेंगे? we will write in the denominator। तो 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1 अपॉन 10 पावर ऑफ 1, क्योंकि मैंने पॉजिटिव पावर बनाया है, therefore प्लस 3 इंटू 1 अपॉन 10 पावर ऑफ 2। क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू बेटा? ओके, So 1 upon 10 power of 2. So here you can see 2 multiplied by 100 plus 0 multiplied by 10 plus 0 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by 1 upon 10 plus 3 multiplied by 1 upon 100. Clear? Understood? 10 10 ja 100. So this is your third question. Beta, again I am repeating first question and second question. It is your homework and you have to do copy at home. You have to solve questions 1 and 2 at home only. Clear what I am telling you, beta? Okay. Now question number 4, 2.034. Again I am telling you, beta, start from here. Okay. 2.034. So before point it means this. Okay, so this is beta 0, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Clear? Understood? So 2 multiplied by 10, 2 multiplied by 10 power of 0 plus 0 multiplied by 10 power of minus 1 plus 3 into 10 power of minus 2 plus 4 into 10 power of minus 3. Clear? So you can see here. So 2 multiplied by 10 power of 0 is equal to 1. And we have made all the negative powers into positive powers. So we have written all the powers, all the numbers which are negative. So we have written in the denominator. समझ में बात आ गई? So plus 0. मैंने उसको पॉजिटिव बनाना था तो मैं पॉजिटिव बना रहा हूँ. 0 multiplied by 1 upon 10 power of 1 plus 3 into 1 upon 10 power of 2. Okay, plus 4 into 1 upon 10 power of 3. Clear what I am telling you, beta? Understood? So here you can see the 2 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by 1 upon 10 plus 3 multiplied by 1 upon 10 10 ja 100 plus 4 multiplied by 1 upon 10 is repeating 3 times. 3, 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. Okay. So 1 1 ja 1 1 ja 1. And there are 3 0. 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 zeros. So 1 upon 1000. Right? Understood what I am telling you, beta? Clear? So 4 multiplied by 1 upon 1000. Okay. So this is your answer which I have mentioned in the rectangle box. Okay. It is known as expanded form. Now the first question and second question you have to do by yourself. I have explained here third question and fourth question. Okay, I have explained third question and fourth question. Remaining first question and second question you have to do by yourself. Okay, and all these things you should copy in CW book. Okay. Now question number 6. Write a place value of 2 in the following decimal number 2.56. So before point 2 this is the ones places. 21. So ones and tens. Okay. So this is tens. 10.25. सो पॉइंट के बाद आता है तो बेटा टेंस. यहाँ पे देखो पॉइंट के पहले जाता है तो एस लगता है और पॉइंट के बाद आता है तो उसके पीछे स्टार्ट होगा 10th से, तो THS लगेगा. अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर? 9.4 to this is a tens and hundreds. So मैंने 100 लिख दिया, पहले 100 लिखना है, बाद में THS लगा दो. Understood? Clear? 9.42 same thing. Okay, here 63.352, तो 2 कहाँ पे है? पॉइंट के बाद आता है दिस इज टेंस, हंड्रेड्स एंड थाउजेंड. तो पहले मैं लिख देता हूँ 1000, बाद में THS लगा दूं. सो ये रूल है. अगर आप ये रूल को अगर आप फॉलो करोगे तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड बेटर, you can understand well. So my dear students, one thing again I am telling you better, that if you didn't complete CW book, please complete it. And if you have any doubt, if you have any query regarding this chapter, regarding this exercise, regarding this question, please drop your message in the comment section box. Okay, now we will meet in next video very soon. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.